Hi there. Are you struggling to get your paint business off the ground? Or maybe you are tired of not knowing where to start? Well, you are not alone. And today I am going to share the 5 essential tips that changed everything for me. So stick around because these steps will fast track your success and you won't believe how simple it is. Welcome to today's training where I'm going to walk you through what I call the paint production pyramid, PPP. These 5 steps are 1. Formulation, 2. Branding, 3. Marketing, 4. Production, and the fifth, sales. They are the pillars that will kickstart your paint production business in no time. Now, if you don't follow them in the right order, you will struggle like most people. So let's dive into the training. First up, formulation. Imagine the formulation as the head of your business. Without a solid foundation, your entire operation will crumble. You have got to master how to create high quality paint, or else you're selling something no one will come back for. This is where many fail. They rush to sell but forget to perfect their product. Don't be that person. The next, we have branding, the neck that moves your business forward. Without a brand, your paint is just another product on the shelf or in the market. Your branding should speak to your customers before you even say a word. Imagine walking into a room and everyone knows who you are. That's the power of great branding. Make your product unforgettable. Now we move down to marketing. Most people think marketing is just about selling, but no. Marketing is understanding your customers and knowing exactly what they want before you produce anything. It is about creating a demand before the product even hits the market. You are not just advertising, you are creating a relationship between you and your customers. Then comes production. Now that you know what your audience wants, and of course, you have your brand established, it is time to produce. Don't rush this part. Quality over quantity is the name of the game. You want your customers to see your product and say, whoa, this is exactly what I need. But this is this happens only if your production meets their expectation. Can I repeat myself? You want your customer to see your product and say, whoa, this is exactly what I need. But how do you do that? It only happens if your production meets their expectation. So, what is the expectation of your customers? That leads us to the previous topic, which we talked about, marketing. Because marketing creates a relationship between you and your customers. In that way, you'll be able to know the ideal product they want, and then you work towards that when you are about to produce your paint, or rather when you are producing your paint. Finally, we reach the sales. See, most people make the mistake of putting this first, but sales only comes after you have perfected the previous steps. When you have formulated a great product, build a brand and market it well, and produce quality products, sales become inevitable. Don't chase the money. Let the money chase you by creating value at every stage. So, like I said, these 5 essential tips are what changed everything for me when I started my own paint manufacturing business before I became an educator in paint production. So that is why I'm sharing these simple but powerful strategies for those of us that have been finding it difficult in crushing our sales in paint production. Because I hear at times people complain about selling the paint product and how to get their ideal customer to buy the paint product, or how to become a successful paint manufacturer. So these 5 essential tips is going to guide you in building a profitable paint brand. Now, I know it might sound like a lot, but trust me, following these 5 steps in the right order is the differences between falling and becoming a successful paint manufacturer. If you're serious about starting a lucrative paint manufacturing business, click the link in the description to chat with me one on one. Let's turn your business into something profitable together. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who is ready to succeed in the paint business. Also, don't forget to click the link below for more resourceful and insight. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.